How's it going, YouTube? A lot of people don't know that you can actually make logos or banners or profile pictures on ChatGPT. I mostly use WebGPT. I think you have to have an extension. I'm not entirely sure. Um, Maybe, but I do a demonstration. So WebGPT. And you want to go into this one, so http WebGPT, and then click this one, and it'll just bring you up on the WebGPT site. Just to do a demonstration, I just make a you just tell it whatever. Say for example, make a YouTube thumbnail of ChatGPT making logos and banners for. Okay, I'll just do that. Make a YouTube thumbnail of ChatGPT making logos and banners. And I've absolutely been going insane with using ChatGPT to make AI creates logos and don't really like the D. So what I usually do, keep your words as simple as possible. So I say do better. It'll make me another one. And I might be lucky to actually give it a title for the YouTube video, which will be absolutely hilarious. You do create logos and banners with AI ChatGPT. I actually like that. I should mention that ChatGPT, like, you can use the free one, but I think you only get like 5 of these. You can only make 5 of these before you have to wait over 24 hours. I did pay for mine because I want mine instantly. You know what I mean? I'm impatient. There's a lot of the sad thing is that when you do save it, it saves as a WebP file. I will tell you how to actually make it a little bit easier. So what I usually do is I got a extension convert WebP to PNG, but you can use anything online. So what you do is you go into your thingy, well, wherever your hard drive, your SSD, whatever, and you pretty much just open it, and like these are all I made with ChatGPT. It's insane. Except for that, I paid a guy on $5 or $60. I literally saving money, and then I open that, and it'll literally save it. So that's what I want. Create logos and banners with AI, ChatGPT. And that's as simple as it. It took 3 minutes and 30 seconds. Make a title for the YouTube video. And I'm literally gonna how ChatGPT creates stunning logos and banners. AI design made easy. Unleashing AI creativity, designing stunning logos. I'm just gonna use this. See, there you go. Easy. If anybody has any problems, like not many people know that you can actually create banners. Like I had to help a friend who was gonna pay someone to literally do this, and I'm like, you can just use ChatGPT. Like ChatGPT can do pretty much anything. I'm trying to figure out a way to actually make it so you can do it in is it PFD or PSD? Something like it's pretty much Photoshop format. So that way, sometimes ChatGPT will fuck up. Well, sorry for the language. It will mess up the like that. For example, ChatGPT or say chat TTT GPT, or sometimes you'll just say hat GPT, or you'll mess up the words. So like if you got a good design, it'll pretty much destroy it. But yeah, that's how you pretty much just use ChatGPT to like create whatever you want. Just make sure you got WebGPT, because I don't know if the ChatGPT will work, but yeah, just get WebGPT. It's much easier. It scans the internet for whatever. But anyway, thanks for watching. Until next time, adios.